you have to distribute all these things also. So look at the question. Apart from these 5 entry, you have to distribute general reserve, which is given at the liability side. Next thing, you have to distribute advertisement suspense, which is given at the asset side. So for advertisement suspense, it is an expense or loss, you can say, means it is a deferred revenue expenditure. So for this, you know what entry you have to pass, and for general reserve also I told you what entry you have to pass. Likewise, I told you in question number 13, here general reserve is given as well as advertisement suspense is also given, but in this question I told you all the entries in a adjusted form, means in this question we had passed only one single entry, but here you have to pass them separately. So you can do it. Next one, question number 23. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3. Their balance sheet is given. After this balance sheet, what are the informations given to you? Value of land and building decrease. So when asset decreases, you know, and I already told what entry you have to pass. Machinery increase, asset increases. Provision, same point as this it was, like in question number 22, fourth point. So like this you have to do, solve this point also. Motorcycle value 20,000 was unrecorded. Motorcycle is an asset and it was unrecorded, and now is to be recorded in the books, और अब हमें वो record करना. So it is an unrecorded asset, and unrecorded assets are the profit for the firm. So I already told you the entry of this point. Unrecorded asset means, and out of sundry creditor 10,000 is not payable. So fifth point is, out of sundry creditors rupee 10,000 is not payable. So 10,000 is not payable, it means it is a fall in liabilities, and I told you what entry you have to pass in case of fall in value of liability. Next thing, goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of last 3 years profit. Profit being for 2018-19, 17-18 and 16-17. So first you have to calculate the value of goodwill, and then after calculating the value of goodwill, you have to pass the entry for the goodwill, which I already told you, as it was gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account, for point number 6. Next point, C was to carry out the work for reconstituting the firm at a remuneration including expenses of rupee 5,000, and expense came to rupee 3,000. So one thing for this point, whenever question says that for reconstitution a partner is payable some amount as a commission or remuneration, either it is wait a minute, suppose a partner is payable as a remuneration for reconstitution, means पार्टनरशिप डीड को दोबारा से प्रिपेयर करने के लिए एक पार्टनर को रिम्यूनरेशन दी जा रही है 10,000. मे बी एक्चुअल एक्सपेंस इज मोर और लेस, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. सो सपोज एक्चुअल एक्सपेंसेस आर 12,000. In one case, first case, suppose actual expense came to rupee 12,000, and how much remuneration we are paying to him? 10,000. So in that case, the loss of 2,000 will be beared by that partner only, whosoever is taking this responsibility. जो भी पार्टनर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले रहा है उसी को 2,000 का लॉस फेस करना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड कंडीशन, सपोज एक्चुअल एक्सपेंस इन रिवोल्यूशन रीअसेसमेंट, सॉरी, actual expense in reassessment of partnership is 7,000. So and how much company is paying to him? That is 10,000. So here he is getting a profit of this 3,000. So still in both the condition we have to record the only amount which we are paying as a salary or commission. Neither we need to record 12 nor we have to record 7. Only the amount which we are paying to the partner as a remuneration or sometime commission, so that amount we have to record. So likewise in this 7th point, C was to carry out the work for reconstitution the firm at a remuneration of rupee 5,000, means C is carrying on the work of reconstitution, and for that he is getting 5,000, while the actual expenses is rupee 3,000 only. So we have to record only this 5,000. We don't have any relation with this actual expense. so we have to record 5,000. So C is getting 5,000, it means it is paying by the firm. So for firm it is expense, so that's why in revaluation account it will come on to the debit side. In revaluation account it will come on to the debit side by the name of C's capital account, because C is getting it, or you can write C's salary also. So I hope you can do this thing also. So what question says, pass journal entry and prepare revaluation account. So you have to pass journal entry for all these points and revaluation account with relation to all these points, and apart from it just check the liability side. Is there anything which we have to distribute or at the asset side? So look at the liability side. Capital, no need to distribute. General reserve, this thing we have to distribute. And look at the question, there is no information that we have to distribute the general reserve or we don't need to distribute the reserve, like it was given in question number 19 that general is to be shown. Is to be shown means no need to distribute, and general reserve is to be shown in the new balance sheet. Sorry, what question first point says, general reserve is not to be shown in new balance sheet. न्यू बैलेंस शीट में शो नहीं करना, इट मीन्स वी हैव टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट. इसका मीनिंग क्या है, हमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. एंड दिस पॉइंट इज जनरल रिजर्व इज टू शोन इन न्यू बैलेंस शीट, means we have to show the general reserve in new balance sheet. And when we have to show general reserve in new balance sheet, it means not distribute, no distribution. हमें general reserve distribute नहीं करना है. But in this question there is no information in complete question regarding general reserve that either we have to distribute or not to distribute. So whenever no information is given, what we will assume that we have to distribute it. What we will assume that we have to distribute it. So you can distribute it easily as you have done it in first part. Next point, investment fluctuation reserve is given 30,000. Check that investment is given or not. So at the asset side investment is given and its market value is 90,000 while the book value is 1 lakh. So book value is 1 lakh and market value is 90,000. It means there is a loss of rupee 10,000. How much loss there has? So there has a loss of rupee 10,000. Can we cover this loss from this reserve? Yes. Why? Because we have 30,000 as a reserve and we have to cover only 10,000. So first for covering up the loss we have to pass an entry, and then for remaining 20,000 we will distribute that remaining amount. The remaining 20,000 will be distributed into the partners. So for that again we have to pass one entry, and I told you what entry you have to pass in previous questions. Next, creditors, so no need to distribute it. Look at the asset side, is there anything? So same, advertisement is suspense as it was given in last question also. So I hope you can solve this entry question also. Moving towards the next question of this topic, that is 24. So it is same as it was question number 21, if you will notice. So what is question number 24? Old ratio is 2:2:1. New ratio is 5:3:2. They decided not to change the value of assets and liability in the books of account. Not to change means we will continue with these figures only as it was mentioned in question number 21 also, but in different way. Like however old values will continue in the book. However old values will continue in the book means these values are to be recorded in new balance sheet. So in this question also it is given कि they decided not to change the value of assets and liabilities. Not to change the value of assets and liabilities means same कि we will continue with the old values only. So you have to pass again adjustment entry. So it was same as question number 21. So I hope you can complete all the questions till 24. So thank you. And if you have any doubt in any of the question, then please send that to me. I will reply you the correct answer of that. So try hard. Thank you.